take you through the world, you know. People say money, but it's still love. Love and respect. When you love, you respect. You share, you know. You be kind to each other. You know, that's love, you know. Some people like, I don't love you. You're not. Oh, why not? We were made to love each other. Jah created us to love each other and be one on creation. But we differ. We create envy and hate and all different stuff in our heart. It should not be so. We should be able to love each other, you know, as brothers and sisters and be good. Share the joy, let the gleam from your face. I believe if people should be living in love, then maybe there wouldn't be any sickness. I don't think nobody would be dying, because it would be so much love.
Sure.
So people would be floating in love.
Yeah.
Swimming in love. Sleeping in love.